So I'll be talking about how to enable imaging experiences on the phones. Remember, phone is a consumer device, so the user experience is increasingly important on the phone. So let me start by talking a little bit about Scalado, the company, and then I'll do some recapping on previous things we've done, and then I'll introduce some new products. So Scalado is about 10-year-old company. We've founded 2000, and so we have 10 years of imaging experience. We're about 80 people, and we're shipping in almost 500 million devices from all these key manufacturers, basically enabling them to handle large images efficiently. And what we do is sell imaging software to them with some key IP to enable high-performance imaging. The company itself is spread out over the world. The headquarters is in Sweden. We have a strong hub in Korea and some smaller offices around the world. What we try to do is really bringing in imaging technology that enhances the user experience in various ways. Within capturing, we want to be able to do creative and enhanced imaging experiences, always capturing the right photo. You pull your camera from your pocket and you get exactly the right photo. We want to be able to view. We want to enable you to find your images quickly on the phone. We have technology to be able to view thousands of images in 1 second and select your images and send them over the networks or whatever you want to do. We have technologies to be able to create large print quality images with different effects, image improvement, more funny things, whiteboard capturing, all these things very efficiently in a phone. And finally, we have technology that enables us to share them really efficiently. So some of the things that we've done in the past is here. 2003, we created the first panoramic image capturing in a mobile phone. That was done on a platform that is less powerful than the remote controllers of today. So we had to create a completely different technology to solve the problem in 2003. So now that the CPU power and the hardware is getting better, imaging is quite simple for us. So now we can do software that is extremely powerful, and that power drives the user experience. 2003, we introduced a technology that allows us to treat a compressed image just as if it was raw. So we can access any pixels in any scale extremely fast, and that gives us tremendous advantages. 2004, we created an image processing engine that was actually launched when Nokia launched their N series. That was the first big thing for Nokia within imaging. So they were really proud of showing editing on a phone. 2006, we introduced a very fast image viewing concept where you can instantly find your images. You can do nice layouts of images in an instant. It's very simple for the customers to integrate technologies like that. It also provides instant zooming into these megapixel images on any device. So you don't have to have super hardware to be able to do this. It just works. 2007, last year, we introduced something that is a combination of hardware and software, enabling completely new capturing experiences. So basically, we discovered a way of modifying an existing ISP without adding any costs to the hardware. Basically, modify the encoder, and it allows us to treat the JPEG image that is produced about 20 times faster. And that delivers a unique user experience. I have a video on that so you can. There's shot-to-shot times are almost zero between the shots. We captured a burst sequence, and we were able to view the burst images directly in screen resolution while zooming into the details and then looking at the detail and determining which image to choose. And this doesn't add any cost to the platform. So today we have enabled this software technology to utilize hardware. So it's translating the random access problematics into hardware. So the standard hardware can run enhanced image processing without actually having to be modified. And we're happy to tell that almost everyone has adapted to these speed tags technologies. So now it's not anymore the chicken and egg problem. Is there speed tags on the sensors, the hardware or not? They exist on everyone. Omnivision, Aptina, Samsung, Sony, Fujitsu, even Qualcomm is working with us with this. So a couple of other things you can do when you have this speed tags technology available is hyperburst and time warp. So to understand that, let's just take a look at the traditional burst mode. Usually it's done in low resolution with low frame rate viewfinder. Now, this new technology, this is the traditional way of capturing images. It takes a long time to view the images and you get few frames. High resolution burst, full resolution photos, high frame rate viewfinder. That's something we can do with the speed tag hardware very simply. So you get much better sequences of images. Traditional burst mode, it was low frame rate, low image quality. With hyperburst, we can do 15 frames per second burst. So you will always be able to select the best images around your burst. And finally, the time warp feature allows you to view the detail and change the timing of the shot simultaneously. Zero shutter lag. We zoom into an image and change the timing of it and get a perfect shot. It's all software with tiny, tiny modification to hardware. So to show it for real, here's an example on an iPhone. Actually, the one I have in my pocket, I think. But it's impossible to play in the video, so it's actually running the emulator. But you can see the live demo afterwards. So here we go. So Scalado is all about high-performance imaging. We have just seen zero shutter lag capturing, time warp, hardware acceleration that enables really fast image processing off the ISP, because we can utilize the hardware and software in combination. Instant zooming and panning. We have technologies for creating 12 megapixel panoramas just in a sweep with a 5 megapixel sensor. Advanced image processing, funny things, or image enhancement things, and so on.